So viewer subscriber, wagwan. Welcome back to 4K Shilla Energy. And in this update, we have two topics I got touch upon. We have Skeng and Rajah in England. Plus, we also have the viral video that's going around right now with the school youth who got beaten up. So, man, me know I don't want to miss any update from this channel. So, do me a favor. Subscribe if you're new. I'm going to get right into the video.
You showed me love and I wasn't feeling it.
So viewer subscriber, I know most of you may hear the news before or see it before, you know. But at the BB Cook High School, I hear say
Oh no,
grade
get a
student
rocket
get
with the
beat
Gucci
up
bag, Rex by me
just because
side.
him step on a
Sipping
grade
any and a
11
rocket.
clocks. Yeah man. Him step on a grade 11 student's clocks by mistake, by accident, you know. And so the grade 11 student turned around and beat him up. Damage him, send him to the hospital. That's how bad it is. And me I hear say the grade 8 student now, he might have some damage to his brain. I'm gonna read the article and make you know hear what really are going on, you know. But just to say, yo, wickedness will never ever finish. Best believe. Alright, so this is the male student of BB Cook High School in St. Elizabeth that stepped in a boy's head multiple times for stepping on his Clark's shoes has been taken into custody by his mother and is being processed by the police. Mother stated that she's tired of her son's heartless ways and she can't believe he placed another student in the hospital. Yes, so the grade 11 youth is in like police custody right now and them are processing, you know. But I see some comments of some people that say, oh, big up to the mother to stand up, cause you know, enough mother out there would have tried to protect their child from the police or from people, you know. They might try to defend their child no matter what. But this mother now, she bring her son forward to the police and you know, I make them deal with it. And she made a statement where she said she tired of her son's heartless ways. So basically now it sounds like say our son do some things behind scenes or basically he might do some things at school. You know? So she get tired of it now till she just fed up and just carry him in. Yeah man. But as I say, it's a sad news, bro. All of this just reminds me of like back then in school, there was an incident like this happening in school where most of them may remember, most of them may not. But it's like three boy stand up around this one. You see me? And they make a youth bend down on him knee and they might kick him up and a box him up, you know? Yeah, this incident basically remind me of it. Yo, to me, to be honest, school violence will never stop. I don't know when it will stop, but it seems like say it will never stop. You know? Because for clerks, you deal with the youth, so. For clerks, you make the youth after you go through surgery. That the youth, they go mad right now. When him wake up, him go mad. Mad out. You see me? That's how badly the youth damage him. For clerks, for your shoes. A shoes go even real, bro. Yo, this generation is crazy. This generation that we're living in is crazy. You have a son or a daughter and yeah, send them go school for learn so them can better off themselves. And look what they turn around and do. You see him with your son or your daughter left the house, you don't know if I see him with them or come back in. You don't know if one day when your son or your daughter gone to school, they'll get a call on your phone and say, yo, them day in the hospital, a battle for them life. Yo, now I understand why most people send them son or them daughter go private school. Because things like them here not really happen in a private school. You know, I think private school have more discipline. Yeah, I think private school have more discipline. than the ordinary original school them. You see me, than the public school them to everybody. But yo, this world we live in is very cool. It's very, very, very cool. You don't know if your son or your daughter will come back in the same way them leave the house. Just imagine your child left the house this morning if you go to school. And you get a call if you say, yo, your son in the hospital, a battle for him life, badly damaged. Just because him step on somebody's shoes. Yo, Jano Star. Viewer subscriber. Yo, let me know what you think about that. Please, let me know what you think about the whole situation, you know?
Oh, receive this I hear voice, I don't know see a Skeng in England, and mother ass this Friday and Saturday. So I say London, Birmingham, mother ass. Skeng.
Rat bat one night time, them a lie. Sinful. A rat battle.
Yes, so the entertainer Rajah and the Skeng is in England. Yeah man, the entertainer them have show for go perform for. But in the meanwhile, the entertainer them enjoy themselves, you know. They were spotted at a football match, which you can see Skeng and his son and Rajah. Yeah man, so the entertainer them enjoy them life, them enjoy themselves, you know. Yeah man, that's my advice to everybody. You see, from here make your money, bro. Enjoy yourself. It don't make sense you go out there and do a bag of foolishness and make police are running on down. It don't make sense, bro. If a music you do your music and enjoy your money. You see me? Enjoy your life, bro. Don't make police have to run you down and you have to hide in a bag of things. You see me? Enjoy your life, do what you want to do. Yo, enjoy yourself, bro. You see me? Big up yourself, Skeng. Big up yourself, Rajah. Go and do it. You see me? Yeah, man. Be a subscriber. Let me know what you think about that. Remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new. And catch you in the next one.